These car modification videos are going extremely viral on social media right now, and this Instagram page has gained 112K followers in just 56 posts. And his popular videos have 18.5 million and 7.5 million views. I'll also tell you how you can monetize these videos, but before that you need 10K followers and 100K views for TikTok Creator Rewards program. To skip that, you can get an already monetized TikTok account. Go to ChatGPT and type, "Give me names of some cars that are viral on social media." ChatGPT has gave us viral and high-interest cars that can perform well on social media. Next, go to Notion file that is in the description, and you'll find a master prompt. Copy it. Open Google's Flow, switch to video. Choose Omni Flash as model and select 10 seconds as duration. Paste the master prompt, and you'll find vehicle name text. Go back to ChatGPT and pick a vehicle name. Replace it with the vehicle name. One further step is to write the color with the brand name. The video is generated. The video is great, but the only issue is that the video is 10 seconds longer, but to monetize on TikTok the video should be longer than 60 seconds. So follow the same process to generate 6 more videos. Generate at least 7 videos of 10 seconds. Download all the videos. Open CapCut for editing and create new project in 9:16. Upload all the videos to the CapCut. Add them to the timeline one by one. You can add transitions or polish the video, but the basic editing is done. Export the video in 1080p and 60 fps. Get a monetized account to start earning from the first video.